In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Glassdoor to plan your career. Let's get started by opening Glassdoor in your web browser or the mobile app and signing in. Logging in lets you see personalized insights and keep track of anything you want to revisit later. If you're new, you'll be prompted to create an account. And once you're in, the homepage will surface trending roles and companies based on your interests. Next, use the search bar to explore job titles and roles you're curious about. Type in the title, add a location if you have one in mind, and browse the results. This is a great time to fine-tune what you're looking for by exploring role variations, seniority levels, and related keywords. If you're unsure about exact titles, try broad terms first and then narrow down as you learn which titles match your skills and goals. From there, click into companies that catch your eye to review their insights. On each company page, you'll see an overall rating, detailed reviews, and common pros and cons from employees. Take a moment to read recent comments for context, look at trends over time, and check the benefits section to understand what's included beyond salary. Culture, work-life balance, and career growth indicators can be just as important as compensation. By the way, if you need quick access, the download link for the mobile app and a direct link to the website are both at the top of the description, so you can jump in right away on any device. Now, head to the Salaries section to understand pay ranges for the roles you're considering. You'll see base pay and, where available, additional compensation like bonuses or stock. Use location filters to see how pay shifts by region and compare ranges across companies to set realistic expectations. Remember that ranges reflect factors like experience and company size, so use them as a guide, not a guarantee. As you come across promising roles or employers, use save on job listings and follow on company pages. This keeps everything organized in one place so you can return to it without searching again. It's a simple way to build a short list and keep tabs on updates or new roles. Finally, pull your insights together to plan your next steps. With what you've learned, outline a few target roles, identify potential employers that fit your values, and align your salary expectations with market data. This turns exploration into a clear, actionable path. That's it. You can now use Glassdoor to plan your career and make informed decisions. Thanks for watching.